నేను భారతుడు దేశం నుండి నాలో నేను బలవంతుణ్ణి బలముంది నాలో.
Polling day is not just another day. It's your day to make your voice heard. Let the voice of your vote echo in the streets of Telangana. Your vote is a declaration of your vision. Your vote shapes your future. Every vote counts and every voice matters.
We think of a country that we desire. Every vote is going to matter.
Motivate your friends, family and neighbors to show their timeless commitment to Telangana. Go out and vote. Make your inked finger your identity. Get ready for Telangana State Assembly Election 2023. Nothing like voting. I vote for sure.